Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
From that, what I was hearing were, when a prophet Atiti never do a Facebook page, not do a apology. I was quite kind of. When I read in a winner. I do when I'm a guy and I'm with a guy. I just see how feel when I'm see go radio. Not do apologize in no as in not do apologize in Naija Watch and would that well trust in Naija Watch as we are to we not going do e back a page up. Alright? Or okay. They not time in Naija Watch before Naija Watch get do a page in him. No it's on here. The bonoti ne do jano jane no here ya apologize in aba. Owe no ya apologize in na wa no ivie ave sapama go ni kei. If you no like the social media do jane do rovi ave enoge ya fefe no rotesan. Wa ya ni gwana wa tie ha ma we no lati anu do apologize na ave any wine no jojana. Ah? No do apologize ni nya. Uda we rinya onya Facebook ya. Naija Watch ya do ne Facebook ni mu kedori ate. Atiti mai kyowe. Oh when he created 20 email, baba no create or ya ke Facebook or ya ke page of it. Anytime no ya ne followers ya boom. You understand? And Facebook manare and then I tell you monetize in page ma where e go no ro here no tell me where give me. What funny or doing why I reason doing why I think. A reputation or every said again ye bena. Is not trustworthy. He's not an honest fellow. He's not someone you can trust for anything. He lacks integrity. His love for money is beyond this world. No do apologize na no. Ave mani suma ye nika picture oro vie do latin wa we na titi do apologize na. Ereru wa kwa edenwu na kakaka. Emata. Atete gelete wa re live do apologize na no. Rude Facebook page. Una funny sha. Una funny. Sister Naija Watch him rubber. No do a Facebook page or a view. Or no do le view. Or no do le view. Ma. Waha. Uno do apologize cinema. Ni suma. Post any picture of you to the social media. That is the height. What a page. What a page na do mui. Ono rara. Ono ra. Ora. Ono finye. Enyere omuso bujao. Ono wa bujo every said gia ohiana. A Facebook page ave do moi. Ino he mi van here do yama. Ah no na di gwejo na every said gi. Oh we no do apologize ruda we every said gi on your Facebook. Nere Naija Watch na nya Facebook ini ya atiti la do fi gwe to nu ini ya do imi na make na munu awregbe mi amu sha e mata ana o te de imi ano do ini ya wa to ta mo ya no wa so de no do imi ani ti afi gbo we similar. No matter what is similar with social media na error. Can you imagine even the ultimate? Mani was suma. Ni time when you have got doti ya suma de ni ke picture of your dollar tian. Aga of you one up ya. One way not titi do beg egbe egba me ma very o. Egbare na video no we na attitude do apologize ni yan mata. O se ni yan do social media warwa wa. Abi to agbibi mu a o. O se na vi un ta ni yan do social media na. Don't ni yan rude. Ya ki bon nya do akori me yan ni mu. Wa do ake. O ge gbelu wa na ja wo so do page mu Isaram robber. Tifi jankuriko. You do em. Eti me we video if said digi a topic me we aka. I got a Facebook but I saw them 1 cent, you know eh. Oh, I always saga yo to keka. I'm away at least 1 cent we la maybe 101 cent per video. I always saga yo to keka reni. Man, how can somebody trust you as a fellow Ejoma? Help me back my page up. I don't understand them. You kolobi and you can't thief a page. You stole it. Dwem. Because I won ya. A page in a page reno. Who will dwem when every no be again. If you know say no be you do, I can't use your children swear for social media. Now making I weather. Do you weather ball? Then we're turning. Ojuhin, e kwa ki mu we na ya. Unu hi ya miekwe, nu do mu page ni no nya egbe. Oni ehore ekwe, enu ifara mo che no hi to do ru we na. O mai gweta, what's on na sie? Because emani bun we gu we mara sie, emani bun we back a page ya up. Eh? O gele do laja we yes, we are na so you be. Now so but at the end of the day we are not babies. We are not babies. Can you imagine? Ave mani suma. The nika picture of you do not marry your car. Walk over where? And when atitiga go a page or there, and one in magua atitigua, and one in Maca offend the okay aguya molare. One is suma the nika picture destiny, a Mr. D Latian, or Benny offend wa. O Benny a wine. Or Boa Moshua. Or you walk carry walk at ya. One are the nika picture galati. All fed you want ya. When me live video on us on a few beg you wa. But what it is, what me bebo. When we feel it and get yaro at it, that's the way you love you wa. So I at least was a guy wa. But no why didn't keep picture galati? Why? They cannot count fed you wa. E kama let's why mo bia. O wa we a hono mo wa be bia. E kama over wa. Uwa ya miorigbe. Wani yesu mani. Wani ni bae. Ni yimo bobo. Unu waya mama. Unu waya plan ni kepichoni. Uwa ya miorigbe. If you wa omunu wa you wa bie. E ya ave miorigbe. Koso yani ma offend wa. Wa mienyo bata. Kose don't make a call or what call the platform minikar where any only way go doti ya plan every year. On my make sure you go ne go dotare where maybe the go dotare bugo no ma make sure you go. Igbini vie ra gbina. Go yani go ga black belief ye. Or ga tari e bani. And we can make a confession. Only aswa. We confess. Ogi vie ra ta. We are where and you're not coming doctor here worry because aware e can resign e can resign give huni away when you away when you wear god doctor here in la mu picture oh you know working here the nika picture you via latin here give your guy opia latin ijo mo now when not no one would when the attitude to apologize now what can one know they know anyway they can never not come back on in a media planning by evil ni when I did a nika picture bella jam social media because I might marry again Monica only I make picture real latin because only on one and Monica to ball one on one. Zobi say na one way, no go on social media. No go have a take bonu buy. A platform in Monica na release any picture ni. Owi tin egbe le kwa. At the same time, I remember even we could do idea in London. And you know, oh no, but the better not to apologize in that money. Oh, you know that is all yasa. Hey, you know that is all yasa. No, but the go oh yeah, titi. No do apologize. Never know. Oh, you know that money some money yasa. I will not say. Oh mama, oh my no again we get so what apology. Avion, Aviana. Ni mo oye ti a motor ya na mo huria. Any picture na. E mani my so live video I did do ya with topic. Egani, I lala ni. No redo wa esu wa yo egani. Asu mani a picture wa mama abio yevani. And we making her famous. Can you imagine? E mani smart ye ni ke picture. Ni me imagine ya release ni ke picture we are normal friends here. Normal wrong here. You know, here social media. Social media. I share with it themselves. Maybe I run some me. Social media. E no wa ya gbegbe o. E no wa ya won poison. Ya san years lagun. Oh, you twin. You say no. That was the height of it. The same people. Wawe. Yeah, my second attitude. I was there near Donama. I must send attitude Yarovia. Edika picture near Wabtiwa, near Lachani. Then you make it yet the rock. I must send a Yabu Bushian with social media. Oh, say near Waduke. Only near Doni. No do latia near Rudawe. And I just watching never trust well. Lao wo. Gume back a page up as a weirdo as Matuma. Oh, nigga, offinye, on a do page on a dwem. On a dwem will give an kyo. Equoji negie, oh, we are yafe, my brother. If he said, Equoji negie, now we are yafe. Equoji negie, now we are yafe. I really die, Kaji, Vegia, Mammy, one only boy, banana, la do you war, don't bubble watch. Oh, don't bubble, one yo. Ama do pejere mudeyama. Maguwe. Your own sorrow shall come on social media. In my yam, if you said again. A page if you don't wait to buwe buto. A YouTube channel. A video we mau. Nemave who nuwe yam a YouTube channel ma buto. Also lo ba afi we no baloyo. Ama email pray no wena. Because you have evil heart, you have evil mind. Echo way, echo down. I saw two people like that. Yeah, va. Oh, when you now vie, away found you the water can't in it. Just where a you to be married, you may say the again. Away video social media president away in your moon. Oh, we are not video now with him where release the channel in Ohoni. And I just watch him release. Or my realization in Ohoni. You know, on he watched that YouTube. I just watching that so I'm way video man. I remember nigga away video with Facebook. Any man care. They just do their video in the house. And I just go thief for their platform, go put up for a YouTube channel. And I go. And I just watch here where all that YouTubers, yes, one larger name YouTube. They say a video man here near the moon in we go get anyway more. Those people are not getting more viewers than him. They getting more, coming up. And I just watching even a document on a vegan or when you sign a contract with him 2 years. Ni idea peanuts in here so that we pay the only one that have more video here. Okay, get where if any year we sign a contract, yeah, my give a mind. Yeah. Other YouTubers near a more video here. In my care. Naija watch ye away. Okay. What the only way you can perform is evil. Only a video a money. Ya drop a YouTube channel, man. Ya drop a why? Because he doesn't want any other person to grow. You cannot just stand seeing other YouTubers are growing, they are getting viewers, getting more subscribers. No! Or that. Using other people's content to be dropping people's. Can you imagine? That is something I cannot get myself. I can't do that. I have never. Nikene Facebook now. It may report a page on one there or a comment on one. At the here now to say, oh, me work with comment on a reporter. I've never, something I've never done. God, I mean, come on. That is evil. Unyania. Egwani na we video no. Give away video, at least give people money. You get content in no more way. No have you. What the hell? What? What? I'm paying them. How much are you paying them? And one I go yago so no. You get money ritual. Money view. No ya dem at your destiny oriya obian. Oh when an artist Latin. Do I apologize never know? I know the social media now come and tell me. Oh no, what is such a I want no. What are you saying? I won't down. Didn't get picture of Yalatin. Oh, man, I'm going to wrong here. I'm all fetting. I get Nivea Sawebo. Nivea Mikwe. Oh, Yanni Mammy, going Marigone. One is Sumari, Nike, also, what's Money Laja do apologize in Mount Yanni? What's Money Laja do apologize in Mount Yanni? Who are going to do apologize in what? And why you want to fire? I can do that, Yanni. If you want, you repay in a very horrible way. I'm telling you guys, all of me, if you walk here, every bitterness I go through in life, you guys, my nigga Sumani, nigga by the picture in Latin, nigga Basejo, if you want your music. Unless why you guys go and apologize, don't make enough forgive you what I say. Don't make enough forgive you what I say. That is the height of evil. And when so ya wa mama la dia wa roviera ya we do settle abi ga me we to one dey nike picture go well aje wa me just settle. Oh man, what we settlement work is when say the same people me what organize this same category of people no no large no what dey no geography san ona dey eri my pa also like if you know your mopugbe. She insulted all of them. She bathed them with insults on social media. And it was one of those. No suma. Yeah, Marigo no piani. O piani mami go. We you away a naked picture. We may allow wo. Don't release an his naked picture allow. I go very social media. Just Marigo no piana. My blackmailing me. I didn't give him money. Did not collect. Die from me. What a video in Monica where Erioka me view 1,000. Okay, don't know how Monica where or Mr. D can me view 1,000. Because the video is there. I have it right here. Where Erioka me 1,000. The very first money no kawari it was 1,000. But I don't any buy. I have a Monica where if you're the 1,000 of Yanni, who told her? And they say, if you're the way, oh, you might go no Yana Mammy. It's naked picture. Oh my God. I can imagine the same people they want apology from someone. What? Someone should come and apologize to people like you. I might deserve any apology from anybody. You should go and hang yourself. Go and hang yourselves. Okay? Now we are barely calculating. Maybe it's not this one. Yes, Salva. I apologize in here with the Facebook page. And I just watching my way, you know. Yeah, you know. My people, I know they look comments. I know they look comments at all. So I don't know what is going on down there. I'm just talking over. Yeah. Okay. I'm glad where at it to boy away keep page of it. That's it. Me page of it low. Or monetize whatever. Forget about that. Forget that. Low na kwa low here. I say no we are monetize it. You just say don't what do you think about? You have your job, so you are not living on that. What the hell? Come and apologize to who? Cha! Man, they are just ridiculing you now. That is nonsense. Come and apologize to them. Wow. Wow. Mm. Mm. Yeah, this man. You know, it's shocking because you see these people, what did they give to other people? They can't take it. They can't take it. That is just the thing. They can't take it. You know. So how can your fellow brother trust you? Trust you to help him work on his page. Then you went ahead and stole his. Well, what am I wearing? Yeah. When it was the manager watch the case or no Paris or on. But all where attitude trusting on my page is your boy. As is there as an admin. Origin do kini edoni. Origin do kini edoni. You know, in our sign attitude out. Took over the page altogether. Oh, where? A video capture us and yemuye, but they not saying in I am going. What go yamoy? What go yamoy? Boy, I realize where I did find out in there. Where of any page here with you? Nina, it was a shocking. I don't want to learn. I want to make a money where I want to bury a mamu. We walk in your way. They will not do it like that. And I just watch Nain one. Nonsense. Honor to them when I am with video captors. Honor the gay am going. Honor the gay. One of the year, no, you can't be a vembo with social media. Then you do a kidney. Because kebe no ya do ne Facebook page munya atiti magiri bai o mari bai Nonsense. Omagi here, no ladder to apologize in no. Ah, man. Una say no. Ah, una to sit down and finish. Una to see and finish. Una to see and finish. You guys are all a bunch of idiots. Niger wash. Hello? Hmm? I have here. Okay, keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, no, I think I know. Okay. I will reply the email in a few minutes, okay? I'll call you back there. Take it. Bye. No, we are doing some. And wow. You will get my release your fellow person, naked picture for social media. Are you not going to sit down and they expect apology for somebody else? You know what? You don't deserve them now. Not at all. You don't deserve them for night. You don't deserve them for money. You don't deserve them more. You don't deserve them.
Faites attente. Tout de wire Ivier. Ok? Bring money. Ivier come the same money. The first money ever Ivier sent was 1,000 euro.
Naira. He said 1,000 euro. 1,000 euro. I don't know how we'll play and finish today. Because I'm about to get busy as well to 10, so I need to do some paperwork. You know? He says 1,000 euro. Now if he send, they say if he can say, I no give him money, he no collect from me money from me. Abi? Ejia no more kagbe ya mwe nike picture ladian. Owo ga Nigeria if na gwali goni. Owi tinye sie. O ga webo no iye sie. If ye ha mu wan ya we marry go no bia na giwo yan. After we release any picture bia na giwo. We la that do apologize no bia na. We tie we koko apologize ya. Go no we ask you my yasie. We my yasie ne no sa. Ah? Avo gbeti ni social media. We may ya say no sana. Alright, Nigeria, in Asia Sani, you go ni. Alright, we be no you go ni. Ya say no sania. Why are the ayawa? How will you went up here? How will you went up here? The same useless elemental people. No sensical idiota people. Oh, when na a prophet rororo all the latin that way Naija watch again a Facebook or do but or do Facebook ibo or do or I monetize it, so what? We can't wait to you gonna hear a page in ya nene get no yeah, but we can't wait to see it. Nonsense. Can you imagine? Oh, when a Masuka beg it what the Facebook you there you. It's they told my where it go. Well, we not do apologize. Without way era visedi gini na ja watch that akparapa era onya Facebook. What is the next to do apologize? I think to the apologize. Yeah, I think do ya go. Do you go come here? Man. Uni aga gui. Ew. Emi amo ja my brother. Ya me away for me. Ata. Let's see you finish. Ay jaja. Echo. Ah. Oh, if yeah. Oh, we are good, yes, you, sir. Oh, we are good, yes, you, sir. Ah. Oh, we are good, yes, you, sir. Oh, if you're in Nigeria. Oh, na gwa lele ni go we are go esi e de dagbati. Oh, I will pon agwa lo yan go esi e. If you we marry go na nya. Oh, ma mi ko ma yes you sa ho na. O ma yes you sa ho na. E godo tu we na lu e uvu ehu na resign ji. Ona mo bia ni mo bia picture. When I go suma ni won waya mama eve ya wo you weta. Wana reality. Warini say picture ni edegi gbenya una call le platform money carry una ko ya na carry we ah she was when you don't tell me via go we your say ni ke picture ni latin no mama you was that she was the brain behind it. She was so happy. Oh over ni ma via kero ade oh wetin ya have you ever tell you no yata oh ye ra vie oh ye vie fan where ni ke picture ma normal fade when I do while for example was it 2 days ago I'll be yesterday now my picture like na celebrate imi we have celebrate birthday now happy birthday yo why I don't have personal issue with him am I wrong give me direct omiania I let one no do euro nigga you boss your man e matter wala ka him social media where Monica no do your road or do you boss in here? No. You understand? So about God forbid. God forbid. Me not the bola de na rovieru wala when Monica we via rovieru wala rovieru wala with social media no. We not say. Egbe you hama with my brother la wo we pa. O you muyoto. But me na do suma. I me na go ma wrong give me direct. When you are at a girlfriend or no rostra, a young nika a video, a says whatever a video. In a those bunya suma, and I don't wear I memo bovona release a. You mean I got the animal wrong give me direct. I cannot face the world. I can't. Ah, the cat, mommy, I already made you or whatever equipment. What a sign I can't because I'm not wrong give me what the hell. Oh no, I call you about see me. When I get friend or Jenny, a your panny, a your window pa. It do go suma. When you don't know not pan or a conny. No, we're not panning. If you don't yell at him, my man. We're going on here. You don't do that. I will palace and tell your way. Audio raw. They do while I confess where you're okay when I don't hear my window. In my depart, I don't know. But we know I mean, I get you. No, we're not getting I'm old Johnny. We know you're in enemy, you know, one about what we know. Hey, I'm old, you know, what I mean. All right, I am an energy within their families. It will cause problem or last forever. Generation to generation. I go social media now. Et recording la social media là. Mais recording il m'a aidé des mois. Et about I don't know. But we just saying okay, don't play it. Almost say doit roi genre play. What the hell? Oh joker can hear we not tired. But oh Johnny don't get raw. Which I don't know. You know they powerful no. No even the cat type. I will not support we not make video. I make video ni akpi. Ama we do way ni ke picture go garoro. It the go ma suma me ba or ni ke picture anybody. I don't mean social media don't mean will be God forbid bad thing. Ati agbera agbe ye negbe. not someone else's naked picture. So they say useless people need working. Oh, when a prophet at it Latia. No doing ya do when Niger what you got do a page of them. Why they shall come why back on? Wah, know they talk like that. Now a rough talk. Wah, a rough talk, you know. Prophet at it, my brother, who kept page of any. Equa, I'll page you were here. Thank God you have your YouTube. Don't get monetization. You already monetize your YouTube. But understand when I am. A page when in Nigeria what you do money. Arwa. All your more video in one or him men on the social media. Me my gay me meno. As well arwa. Or ya back or ya do your book I mean. They pitching on him video. Where worry. There is a word. Facebook manager. Anyway, go any. My baby go. I understand. Fashion them. Forget them. You are a man, you know. Concentrate on your new platform. You get say that's it. What do I back here? Do I back here? Do I apologize? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I mean, what at your platform? You have your platform there. Everybody that cares to listen, they will come there and listen. Don't be following one platform to another. Then I back here. You want the name of web Facebook page. Web Nigeria what you do a page. Calling you left, right, and center. Come apologize to who is Nigeria watching? Apologize. I'm not money can apologize now. Oh no, me too. What do a Facebook? All mercy. Yani all mercy. On if you said you on me year the zero with zero we money ritual would go no when you love you go say page you when you bob why me boy here no maybe because is love for money you know it's something else I know we are doing no some on apology why me wa man useless people I know the comments say I was